So let's take a look again here at the library of functions. Let's zoom in on that. All right, so basic functions were given to you, and we've looked at some of the reflections for a few of them. But let's look at some cases here, some special sort of cases. And we'll use the Desmos. Let's use the Desmos program again. It's quicker. The identity function, y equals x. Okay, now based on the reflection, if we replace x with negative x, we get a reflection. But note, we're actually getting two reflections. We're actually, from negative x, we're getting the reflection across the y-axis here, right? This green line reflected across the y-axis is the black line portion of negative x, but also the x-axis. It's reflected across both axes, as you can see. All right, so if you put negative sign in front of the function, you get negative x, or if you replace x with negative x, you still get negative x. So it's reflected both ways. There are other functions that do that too. The cubing function is another one where you can see demonstrations of both reflections. I mean, if we wanted to look at just, say, the reflection across the x-axis, we can see it here. X cubed is in green and negative x cubed in black. And that would be what happens when we have the negative sign just in front of the function. But if we replace x with negative x, we get the same thing. And so still negative x cubed. So you have a reflection across the y-axis as well, and you'll note that here with this portion of negative x cubed is reflected from x cubed across the x-axis. That'll also occur in other basic functions. The cubed root function, if you were to graph that, you would see the same. And the reciprocal function would also do the same. So a couple of these will have both reflections going on. The reciprocal function 1 over x, the cubed root function, the cubing function, and the identity function y equals x.